welcome to Happy Farm in New Jersey. This is in Manalapan, about 40 minutes away from where we live. It's a very hot and humid day, but it's all worth it. As you can see the surrounding, look at those beautiful sunflowers. They're so bright and sunny and yellow, just like the golden yellow lemonade color. I do wish that I'm drinking like a glass of lemonade, iced lemonades right now, but that will come later. So in this place, they have corn, they have raspberry, blueberry. They also have my favorite scented flowers, which is the lavender, but I think they passed the picking already. They also have colorful zinnias. We're gonna stop by there later. So join us like to see this place and hope you enjoy the view. Hi, this is the sunflower that I picked in the other gardens. So right now, surrounding us are the zinnias. They have like different colors. I dreamed of one day like having my own garden with all these different color flowers. Back when I was a child in the Philippines, I see a lot of that in the neighborhood, and I think at one point in our yard too. So it's nice to see them right now, like I'm a grown, mature adult, and brings back like my childhood memories. I hope that you see and enjoy what you see here. Oh my God.